Hi you guys, I am finally back with another video. I know it's long overdue, but this video is going to show you guys or give you a peek at a couple of new makeup brands. It's my first time using them, so you'll get to see my first impressions right along with me through this video. So I'm not going to talk your heads off. I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. So you always want to start off any makeup look with moisturized skin. So I'm going in with the Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer by Shea Moisture. It's a personal fave of mine. Now, I don't know why in the hell I am yanking, tugging, rubbing my face like this. I normally pat this moisturizer into the skin. So now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild concealer and cover up any blemishes I may have. And I use the shade 843B in Medium Peach. Now I am going to go back in with a concealer brush and I'm going to lightly tap the concealer into the skin. This allows for a more blended makeup application. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Halle's Reform Liquid Luxe Foundation in the shade 6.5. This is a new foundation for me, so I'm excited to see how this blends out. It's described as having a medium buildable coverage. So I'm just going to pump that onto a flat brush and then apply to the face. And when applying makeup, you always want to make sure you blend the neck area. It allows for a seamless transition from face to neck. So now we've made it to brows. I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s brow pencil in Deep Brown and Second Love's brow gel in Espresso Brown. The best way for me to fill in my brows is by tracing the lower eyebrow line and then taking it all the way out to the wing, if that makes sense. And then I'll complete the same thing on the other brow. And this allows for me to have a clear line to follow when I'm filling in that top eyebrow line. As you can see, I use the eyebrow gel for about 3/4 of my brow, and then eventually I go back in and I just fill in any sparse areas with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Always use your spoolie to blend out any harsh lines and make your brows look a little bit more natural. Nothing is worse than like those caterpillar brows that just sit on top of your face. So just use your spoolie to blend those brows out. So now I'm about to use the Kevyn Aucoin Nude Pop palette. I'm going to start off using the shade Surreal. Now I am going to go ahead and apply the shade Sketch onto the lid. With this shade, I chose to use my fingertip because it is a pretty chunky glitter, and I usually get the best results with these types of textures using my finger. Now I'm just going back in with Surreal to build up the color a little bit more, and then I'll move on to the outer V. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade Sculpt into the outer V areas on both of the eyes. I'm gonna go back in with Surreal because I don't really like the deepness of Sculpt, so I'm just gonna lighten it up. You guys, there's trial and error when you're doing your makeup. Make adjustments as necessary to get the look that you are going for. So now I'm getting to my favorite part. It's the eyeliner. I am going to be using NYX's matte black liner, and I absolutely adore this liner. I've been using it for years. Anytime you see pictures with a cat eye, this is the eyeliner that I use. So the key to getting a flawless finish for me as far as eyeliner is to not pull or tug at the eye. I just trace naturally along the eyeline with the tip of the eyeliner point, and then I use 2 separate strokes to create the wing. So now I'm going to be applying Rimmel London's Volume Accelerator Mascara in Extreme Black. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I don't know about you guys, but I suck at applying lashes. So this mascara gives me the falsies look without the hassle of actually applying lashes. So now I'm just reapplying the concealer, the Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach under the eye, and I'm just going to conceal that area and then blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC43, and I'm going to use a powder brush to dab that lightly over the concealer to get rid of any harsh lines. The goal is to have everything look really seamless and flawless. So now I'm going to apply one of my favorite things, and that's blush. And this blush is by e.l.f. It's the shade Berry Mary, and I just absolutely love blush. I feel like it actually brings warmth and life to the face, so a look is not complete until blush is applied. So now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics My Mimi highlighter. This is my fave. I absolutely love Mariah Carey, so when I heard MAC was teaming up with her to bring out this collection, I had to get this highlighter. It is so gorgeous. So now I'm just going to go in with two of my fave lipsticks. And I live for nudes, so everybody knows that, you know, I'm like the nude queen. So I usually do my lips very simple. I usually go in with a darker shade or darker colored nude, and then I top with a lighter colored nude. It almost gives me like an ombre effect, and it looks really, really good on the lips. So this is the final look. I am absolutely in love with it. I think it gives me like a really good sultry eye. And then I always do like a really soft nude lip. And this one is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in Desert Suede. And I mixed it with a little bit of Chi from Colourpop. I absolutely love this lipstick. So if you'd like to see more videos, please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, and there will be a next time very, very soon, I'll see you guys later.